Moving on to question 4. All right, we have to do a bit of conversion here. Sorry about that. I just hit the lamp. So you started off, I'm gonna summarize the question. You start off with 2.55 grams of zinc powder. So the mass of zinc is 2.55 grams. You also given the mass of chlorine gas, which is 5.92 gram. Oh, I can't actually write what I said. This is not hard. The mole ratio is only 1:1. Can't be that difficult. So from here, you need to determine the mass of zinc chloride produced. So I need mass of zinc chloride produced. Now, if you want to determine mass, let's just do a quick flowchart-ish or something. All right, I think I can. We'll see what happens. So I need to find mass of zinc chloride, and if you want to determine mass, you need to have the number of mole, probably a shorter arrow. You need the number of mole of zinc chloride. So from here, I need N of zinc chloride. In order to find the number of mole of zinc chloride, let's just write here, mass is going to be number of mole times molar mass, so that's not going to be the big deal. To find the number of mole of zinc chloride, I will need to use mole ratio and one of the reactants. The problem here is that you have two different reactants. You're given the masses of both of these, and you don't know which one is going to be completely converted to the product and which one will be in excess. So you need to know which one's is the limiting reagent. Use N of limiting reagent. So in order to find the number of mole limiting reagent, I need to determine the limiting reagent and which one is in excess. So in order to do that, step 1, which is to determine the limiting reagent, I'm going to start by finding the number of mole of zinc, which is just mass of zinc over molar mass of zinc. No idea what molar mass of zinc is. Is it like 54, 60, 65.4? All right, not close at all. 2.55 over 65.4. 64.5? 65.4. Like seriously, I have short-term memory loss. 2.55 divided by 65.4, 0.03899, 0.03899 mole. So that's zinc. And the number of mole of chlorine is also mass over molar mass. So we have 5.92 over 71. Somehow I remember that one. And you will get 0.0834. 0.0834 mole. Now, because this is a 1:1 ratio, it's actually very easy to determine which one is limiting, because you're supposed to have 1 mole of zinc for every mole of chlorine, which means that whatever is bigger is going to be in excess. So since N of Cl2 is greater than N of zinc, Cl2 is in excess. And zinc is the limiting reagent. You don't need to determine how much chlorine is in excess because the question doesn't ask for it. But so from here, I already have the number of mole of the limiting reagent. I'm going to find the number of mole of the product. So N of zinc will equal to the N of zinc chloride, because once again, if you look at the equation, it's a 1:1 mole ratio. And this is 0.03899 mole. So that's the number of mole of zinc chloride. So I've got that. And from here, I can determine, again, I just hit the lamp, the mass of zinc chloride, which is number of mole times molar mass. So I think we're going to have 0.03899 times 65.4 plus 71, which is something. Okay, let's just Now, once again, remember to keep the numbers from your calculator and only round at the end. So 5.3 to two significant figures is the answer to this question. Not too bad. 1-to-1 mole ratio is the best. All right, that's it for question 4, I think.